Hey guys, welcome to my new crafting channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys what you will need to make fake cotton candy. Now, I'm thinking about doing a series on how I made my insane milkshake. If you want to use these as props, they can be used for anything, you guys. So this is my insane milkshake, and this is all fake candy. And in today's part, I'm going to show you how I make my cotton candy. Alright, so this is my insane milkshake, and I will put a picture in there so it'll look a little bit better for you guys so you can see it. So this is it. So it's super easy. What you will need is yarn. This is just some regular cheap yarn that I picked up at Walmart. This is their mainstay basic yarn. This is in white, and you probably want to get it in white because you can color this any color that you want to. So get white, but if you just want to do like pink, or if you just want to do blue or whatever, you can use those colors too, but I'm using the white because I can always color it whatever color I want to. You'll also need a pet brush, and I also got this from Walmart too, so you'll definitely need this and the yarn. Now this is just what I use because I have it here, and so you don't need this, but this is just a cooling tray. I'm gonna show you guys how I use this by using that, but you don't need to purchase this. You can just use a little stick, rod, something, but this is just what I use. Now this is also optional if you are getting the white and you do want to color it in. What I like to use is a makeup palette to color my cotton candy. I feel like this gives me control over how intense or not intense I want my cotton candy to be. Any cheap eyeshadow palette, this is just one that I had laying around, and the pans are huge, so I have like a ton of it. You'll also need a makeup brush like this if you're using the eyeshadow. Now I like to use a bigger brush, that way I can just pound a lot into places and I don't have to have like a little small one like this and like try to shade it in. That's going to be really difficult. You'll also need some scissors as well. You'll also need a piece of cardboard. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and let's go ahead and jump into this video.